Sweet, awesome. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump onto a new tab, and you're going to open Giphy.com. Okay, from here at the top of the screen, you should see a search bar. In that search bar, we'll type in Celebrate. Okay, so now you should see a whole bunch of new Giphies on your screen. So what I'd like you to do is select a Giphy that represents how you're feeling. All right, just give me a thumbs up once you've done that. Awesome. So what you're going to do is once you've seen the Giphy that you like, you're going to go to the top right-hand corner of it, and there should be a little chain link. So I'd like you to click on that. Okay, so it should be copied to your clipboard now. So what we'll do is we'll go to the Google Doc that we want to copy the Giphy to. Now I'd like you to select the task that you are ticking off. Okay, so now go to the top toolbar and click on Insert. We'll go down to Image, by URL. Awesome, and just paste the URL in the bar. And then you can click Insert. And there you go. Your Giphy should be there. How to Giphy.